Prima Mai, now can you guide us through a little bit of the kind of the on the floor mandala of this practice? So can you explain how this practice is done and what it's all about as far as these dances?
Okay, so we have we have three Vajra dances which take place on a diagram, on a round diagram called mandala. So it's a geometric form of many circles moving out from the center out to the periphery, and also containing triangles. So we have the mandala is kind of made in three places. So we have a center, and in that center we find also all five colors present. These five colors are presenting the five elements. And we find in the center of the mandala also a triangle. So the triangle is kind of a symbol of our three existence: body, speech, and mind. And we find them doubled. So we find double triangle, and that is then the non-duality of aspect of male, female aspect, or subject and object, dark and light, or and so on. No, so then in this center we have, in the real center we have a blue circle, and that blue circle is represent actually really then the Dharmakaya, this emptiness from which with all its potentials. Um, and from there spread out another circle, and then it's white color, which is presenting the element of water. And then from that come out yellow earth, and move out in a green triangles, which is connect to wind energy. And then we have the red triangles, which is more fire, or also maturation. So we can also fire like no creation. So and then from that move out the second part. So in the center we never dance, we never move. We place in the center often like we light a candle as a symbol of also the impermanence, but also of the light, no, of light. Um, and then from there, so from the center where we never dance, move out another six circles, aligned again in the same sequence of the elements. So it starts with a blue circle, no, which is space, and then white water, and then yellow earth, and then red fire, and then again green wind, and again blue space. And these six now connect more with the Sambhogakaya aspect. So it's kind of the energy. No, so if we say Dharmakaya, also we can consider mind. And now we have the energy aspect. So we have the voice, or the energy. And in that circles as well, they represent also our chakras, inner chakras, the main chakras. So we have, for example, in the first two circles, the space and the water are more connected with our head chakras. And then we have the yellow earth, it's more connected with throat chakra. Then we have the red, which is more connected with heart chakra. And then we have the green and blue tigle, which more connect with the chakras in the belly region. So that is the Samogakaya, and then further it moves out the circles, and now they're also drawn with also containing triangles. So there are circles still expanding out, but there are also triangles, and these are now again as triangle. We know body, speech, mind, the three existences. So that is now more the aspect of the Nirmanakaya, or the manifestation, the form, no? And we have there a white one, and we have there we have a white, and then yellow, red, and again white. So they're always set. We will see later also in the image. And a setting in which represent the male and female manifestation, physical body. And also in the term of chakra, they are more connected with the secret chakra, like sexual organ around that area. So that is the earth mandala. We call symbol of the earth mandala. Then of course it moves still further out into. So then we have again continuing circles moving into with triangles into the aspect of the solar mandala, and further out still becoming then the universal mandala. And all these three are interconnected. So even we don't paint maybe all the whole mandala because it's very big, no, very large. We can we are never separate. They are not separate because, as we said before, or Rinpoche explained, Vajra dance mainly is connected with energy and sound. So the sound is like the let's say like this origin, sound and light of the manifestation of form, and that is kind of this symbol in the solar system universe, that how energy is cannot separate or contained. It is all interconnected. So also sound, actually in science, it's very interesting what they discovered, that when we make a sound, whatever sound is pronounced, it travels endlessly into the universe, but it's multiplying in the frequencies, let's say. So it is like becoming homeopathic in a way. No, anyway, it's quite interesting, this research.
Yeah.
And
That's amazing. So you have all of these connections kind of universally and also internally with the five elements, with the aspects of the earth or planetary, and then the solar and universal, and then internally our system of energetic chakras within the human dimension, and then pervading everything, these fundamental elements, primordial elements of energy. So this is incredible.